YouTubers, welcome to the channel. So today, these old faded Mercedes-Benz calipers, decided we're going to paint them. Now, to be fair, I wanted to do a nice bronze colour because I think bronze and black goes well, but having a look on the Tinternet, I saw that bronze in the world of Mercedes AMG at least means ceramic, which these clearly are not. So I've decided to go with red. Yeah, well, I still think it's going to look nice, or certainly better than what this is. So the first thing I'm going to do is tape all the areas up that I don't want painting. We're going to give it a clean with a wire brush and some brake fluid and brake cleaner fluid, and then we'll start putting on the paint. And for when I finish, I've got some nice AMG high heat resistant decals that I'm going to put on. So yeah, let's get on with this and see how it looks at the end. Okay, so we have 3 coats on each wheel now. Let me show you the other side as well. So 3 coats, we're going to let it dry overnight now, and then tomorrow we'll take off all the masking tape and put on the AMG decals. Hopefully they'll come out looking good. Range of decals here. I'm kind of thinking maybe that one's a bit too big, so maybe the ones underneath would fit well. The curved ones just wouldn't work on these brake calipers. So yeah, I think I'm going to try this size. Dirty wheels, but there are the calipers. Let's show you the other side. Not bad. I think they look quite good. Yeah, job done.